The easy way to align an aiming laser to iron sights, but maybe not the cheapest, is using laser inside a matching cartridge of your firearm. This laser cartridge will be chambered in the barrel of your firearm, and make the process a breeze. This method can also be for zeroing a red dot sight, scope, and all sorts of aiming devices. Prior to installation, battery change, cleaning or maintenance, follow the firearm operator's manual to ensure that the firearm is unloaded. For this demonstration, we will be showing a product from Sightmark, the 380 ACP Boresight version, which will provide, in-chamber, precision accuracy, reliable and durable brass construction. After ensuring that the firearm is unloaded, start with the simple installation of the batteries into the bore sight. Once the batteries are installed, laser automatically will turn on. Drop the bore sight into the barrel. Once bore sight has been chambered, release the slide. A little push may be required. In this case, the bore sight is a red laser, and the aiming laser will be green. Follow the steps provided by manufacturer to zero your aiming device. In this case, the Lasermax states a distance of 10 yards for initial alignment. Make adjustments by inserting adjustment tool into the alignment ports, for wind and altitude. In the comfort of your home, without going to a shooting range, and wasting any ammo, set a target at the required distance. Make the adjustments necessary to align aiming sight to the bore sight. Co-witness alignment will be achieved once your aiming laser is set slightly above your iron sights. When all is set and done, we have saved some time and bullets. And now we can go fire ammo, and confirm we have the zeroing desire.